Today I'm going to show you how to set up Fiverr payments and withdraw money directly to your preferred bank account securely. Alright, so once you start making money on Fiverr, that money can't stay there. You need to make sure that you are able to actually securely transfer that to one of your bank accounts or even to PayPal so that your money can actually be usable. So click on your little profile picture on the top right, go ahead to billing and payments. And within billing and payments here, you can see your billing history, your billing info. Here you want to add in your full name. If you are working for a company or own a company, add in your company name, country, state, region, address, city, postal code, and your tax ID. And then we're going to go to payment methods. Here you are going to add a payment method. So go ahead, click on add payment method. Right now in my region, PayPal is available, and in order to complete your PayPal registration, you will have to be transferred directly to PayPal to be connected your PayPal account to your Fiverr account. Now, depending on what region you're in, you will see different options here. Maybe you'll see bank transfer, you will see like whatever options are available. Okay, there are many payment methods supported, so this is all region dependent. Go ahead and add your payment method. Once you've done so, you will have to, of course, just verify it. You may need to do this and take some additional security measures. There might be a identification verification stage that you need to go through, and then you'll be able to withdraw your money, your hard-earned money from Fiverr, and start spending it up, baby.